Sean Wieda here with Wiedas Marine, and the seasons are changing. Today we're on the road and we're fishing offshore on the Tennessee River, but I want to take a time to talk just about some basic worm fishing, okay? I've got a simple rig here. I've got a Zoom Magnum trick worm. I've got this on a 3/8 ounce weight. Make sure when I rig the bait, I've got it rigged nice and straight. But I'm just gonna show you folks real quick. I'm gonna make a couple casts, see if I can catch one, show you some basic, just simple worm fishing tricks. So I wanna keep that nice, relaxed slack in my line. That's a big deal. You don't wanna tight line the worm. You wanna make sure that you have a nice presentation up current. I'm letting that bait drift with the current, and I'm keeping that nice, relaxed bow in my line, not tight lining it. And a lot of times you experiment with your retrieve. Sometimes you're gonna want a little shake, sometimes just a steady drag. And really pay attention when you get a bite. What were you doing with your bait when you're dragging a bait? A lot of people think, you know, a plastic worm, you just take it out there and you just drag it in. Well, sometimes they want it dragged, sometimes they want a little hop, sometimes a shake. It's all depending on what kind of mood they're in, and there's no rhyme or reason to it. You just have to experiment and see what they want. The big thing is, I've got my boat positioned into the wind, and I'm trying to keep a nice, relaxed bow in my line. A lot of folks, the mistake that they'll make is they fish that worm on a tight line, and you're not gonna catch many. I already got a bite. Nice bow in my line. Nice little fish here. Nice thing about ledge fishing is you can find school up. Good little fish. A million of these out here. That's just some simple worm fishing tips in real life that'll work. Make sure to keep your worm rig straight. Make sure to fish that worm on a slack line, a semi-slack line. It's very important. It sounds simple, but it's a big mistake a lot of people make when they're fishing a worm, especially if they're trying to fish in 15, 20 foot of water, is they quite simply pull that worm and they don't leave it on a slack line. But folks, make sure you tune in next time for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.